Hello, welcome to this look at how to use your Minecraft videos to create mobile content. So generally when you import your 1080p footage into a 916 window like this, it's going to look like that. So the one that I go for, the absolute standard one I go for is, you can see on the bottom there I've got two items. I've got the sword in position 1 and the crafting table in position 2. So when I make these changes, I just want you to look at what happens to that. So we're going to do 537.5 and 909 and then 189 here. So you can see what that's done is essentially it's centered the middle 7 slots there. Now, some of the things that you may want to do in your game is for instance, you're going to go up to this slime and we're going to fight the slime, right? So for this, I like to do a close-up one, right? So for this one, the numbers are going to be, and this may be different because obviously I'm left-handed, so it may be slightly different, but this is the sort of scale that I found was best. But you can see where my position of the cursor is, and this is because I'm left-handed, so you may want to actually put the cursor into, if you're right-handed, I would think you probably would want to put the cursor more here. Obviously, when you're left-handed, you attack more from the left side, that's why, but you still want it to be low down. And especially on TikTok, I know that a lot of this part of the screen is kind of covered. So if you can get the cursor out of the way, you could maybe even move that down a little bit. Depends exactly how you want to do it. But I think the scaling is pretty good in general on that one. So this is a crafting table setting I use. You can see it's centered around the actual output there.